Now, if the courts order you to pay and you don't go, don't think that that will be the end. If the court order you to do something, maybe apologize to someone or maybe leave the land and you don't leave, don't think that, oh, because I was not in court, oh, it doesn't have any consequences. My dear sister, there are consequences. Now, if it is for you to stop doing something and you don't stop doing it, and you ignore all warnings served on you, or you try to run away from the bailiff and so you are not served, the court can actually cite you for contempt. And that one can even lead you to a prison term. Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Loyalty Next channel. Today's video is a very special video. There are people that come to me and then they have received court documents way back. Maybe a month, 2 months, they have not done anything about it at all. Or people are trying to serve them with court documents and they keep running away from being served with the court documents. Some of them also come at the time that they come to you, the court has already given judgments against them in their absence because they tried to serve them several documents and then they ignored it. I want us to learn about what you have to do when there is a court document served on you and the consequences of not doing anything at all about this. And so that's what I want us to learn about it. And so if you are interested in something like this, let's get straight to the point. So if somebody sends you a court document, I mean, sometimes out of anger, emotions, say, oh, I'm not going anywhere. Please take note that the court document that has been served on you, it's not just a document from the person who you have problems with. Almost all the court documents, especially the ones that begin the court process, it has the stamp of the Chief Justice or the signature of the Chief Justice. It tells you that this is emanating from the Court of Justice and it's a serious business. You have to respect it. Please, if you can read, please read the content of the document. Now, the first thing is that accept the document that is being served on you. You can run, but you cannot hide. Immediately you keep dodging the bailiff, you keep running away from the bailiff, the person can go back to the court and tell the court that, we are trying to serve, let's say, Stella. We are trying to serve Stella with court documents. She's trying so hard not to take these documents. The court can order that it should be pasted on your wall, it should be served on someone in your house, it should be sent to your office, anywhere, or it should be posted on the notice board of the court. The court can use that as good services. So if you keep skipping the court or if you keep running away from the bailiff, it doesn't mean that the court is going to stop. No, the court is going to use other means to serve you with these court documents. It means that if they serve you in these other ways, by posting on the court's notice board, by posting on your wall or even the land that you are fighting about, or by serving it on your boss, or serving it on an adult in your house or where you are known to live, the court will see that, oh, you have received it and you are intentionally refusing to come to court. Now, if you are able to receive these documents or someone gives you these documents, don't say, oh, it was somebody who gave it to me and they should have brought it to me and they didn't bring it to me themselves, so I'm not going to court. No. Please, every court has a name on the documents that is served on you. Every document that is served on you has a court name. It can be Circuit Court, Kumasi, Circuit Court, Accra. Please find out from the registrar of the court. Have I been served with this document? Please. What does it mean? Do I have to come to court? When am I supposed to come to court? If you think that the registrar did not explain things to you, please look for the legal aid office. There's a legal aid office in every region. Cape Coast, Kumasi, Takrady, Accra, wherever. Please go and find out what the document means. If you have a lawyer too, please find out from your lawyer, please, what are these documents? What am I supposed to do? Now, if you don't do this, the court deals with time. And so every document that is served on you, there's a time limit within which you're supposed to respond. You're supposed to appear in court. If you don't do it, now the day that you fail to come to court, the court can order that you should pay some amount of money in your absence. Now, if somebody has gone to court and say that, oh, you owe me some money, if you don't go, the court can make orders and say that, okay, it means that you know that you don't have any defense at all to the case. That's why you've not come to the court. And the court can say that, okay, then let's force him to pay. Now, if the court order you to pay and you don't go, don't think that will be the end. If the court order you to do something, maybe apologize to someone or maybe leave the land and you don't leave, don't think that, oh, because I was not in court, oh, it doesn't have any consequences. My dear sister, there are consequences. If it is money, the court will add on extra costs and interests, and you have to pay all these amounts of money. Meanwhile, if you had gone, you'd have responded for the court to know that, oh, these are my defense. This and this and this are the reasons why if I pay, it will not be good. Now, if it is for you to stop doing something and you don't stop doing it, and you ignore all warnings served on you, or you try to run away from the bailiff and so you are not served, the court can actually cite you for contempt. And that one can even lead you to a prison term. Yes. Now, if it is a criminal case that the police is trying to look for you and you are running away, that's a different matter. It means that they can do the case in your absence and you can be imprisoned, and then anywhere you are found in Ghana here, you can be arrested and sent to prison. Don't take it for granted. If you have a defense, please go to the court and defend yourself. If you think that the person is just suing you left, right, center with no reason, please, there's a reason why you have to go and respond. It will do you some good. Now, you may think that, oh, I'm not going. If they give judgment against me, what can they do? Oh, what can they do? Now, remember, if you have a house, a land, any property in Ghana here, the court can make an order for that property to be sold. Your land can be sold. Even your clothes can be sold to take care of debts that you owe. You may think that, oh, I'm not going, they can't do anything about it. No, the court has powers. The court has powers to imprison you, to attach your bank account, to attach your land, to attach your house and even your household items, your fridge and all of that. The court can do that. So please don't take these things for granted. If you keep delaying, it gives your lawyer a lot of work to do later on. Now, anytime you go, the court will only see that, oh, okay, you are a disrespectful person. They served you court documents. You didn't respect the court. Please, don't do that. Come to the court. Respond to the summons that has been served on you. And then the court can determine the case between both of you. It doesn't matter if the person has a lawyer or does not have a lawyer. Just because the person has a lawyer doesn't mean that the person will win the case. No. Sometimes you have to be there to tell the court that this is not the case. But if you're not there, the court will not know what the other side is. So please, let's learn this. I know you may have some questions. Let me know your questions and I'll help you to understand. But hey, don't disrespect the court. The court is there for you and I to do justice to all of us, or for all of us. And your intentional refusal to go to court is not good for justice in this country. I'll end this here. We'll meet again. Until then, please stay away from trouble. Have a very, very good time. Bye.